Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll show you how we can feed the latest information to ChatGPT. I have the membership of ChatGPT Plus, and I'll be showing you different tools and plugins that we can use to feed the latest information to ChatGPT 3.5 or the 4, and we can get the responses from it. Okay, so before moving further, let me add some questions from ChatGPT about something latest without using any tools or the plugin. So let's see what it says. So I ask him, tell me something about a recent tragedy about Ocean Gate Submarine where five people died. Okay, so I'm asking something about the latest news. So let's see what it shows. So again, as I expected, it's showing that it does not have the latest information before September 2021. So we need to feed something about it. Okay, one thing is that I need to like copy some paragraphs from other resources and tell it something about it, but it's quite time taking, and I'll have to paste so many data to it. Okay, and ask him to go through it, learn it and analyze it. But there is a much better way to do it. So if I ask it, tell me something about new version of Next.js 13. Okay, Next.js 13 was released in the last quarter of 2022. So again, it is saying that I don't have information about Next.js 13 because I have information before September 2021. Okay, so now let's move further and talk about different tools and plugins that we can use to feed the latest information. And I'll be taking an example of the Oceangate tragedy, but we can feed any information about anything about the history, latest news, about the latest technologies, latest gadget, latest electronics devices, anything about that. So before moving further, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So now I have created a new chat and I'll be using Chat GPT 4, and I was selecting this default version when I prompted two questions to Chat GPT, and it just showed me that I don't have the latest information. Now I'm gonna go to the plugins beta. If you don't have access to these plugins and have the membership of the Plus, you can go to the settings of your profile. So this is the settings, and you need to go to the beta features and you need to enable this toggle button of the plugins. Okay, and when you will enable it, you will see the plugins tab under the Chat GPT 4. Okay, so I can see the plugins. I will click on it and I will see the different plugins that I've already installed, and I'll let you know what are the different plugins you need to install. Okay, first of all, initially you will not see anything over here, but you will just see that this is the plugin store. I'll click on it. You can click on all and you can search from here different plugins. For this video, I would recommend you to go ahead and install these three plugins. One is the videoinsights.io, okay, and the second one is the link reader, and the third one is the chat with PDF. Okay, go ahead and install these three plugins and I'll show you how we can use these plugins. So once you will install these plugins, I can enable at most three plugins from this drop down. I cannot go above three at the moment. So I have enabled chat with PDF, link reader, and video insights. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do, let's say that you are a content writer and you want to generate a 1,000 word article, 1,000 word research paper. Then what you need to do, you will go through different books, different videos, different articles, different blog posts, and you will spend days or even months to finalize your research paper. Okay, so again here you need to do some kind of effort. You need to go through and copy the links of blog posts or the videos or the PDF documents which you think are authentic, and you it will take a lot of time for you to actually go through all those links, blog post, the PDFs usually are longer files, or the even the YouTube videos. Okay, so first of all, you need to copy the links. So I've already copied few resources, few links of the websites for the topic of the Ocean Gate submarine tragedy, which happened recently. So these are the links which I have already copied. These are the links of the blog post, and I made sure that these are some authentic links. One is like, the Wikipedia page, bbc.com, CBS News, ABC News, and these are the links to the YouTube videos that I've copied. All these videos are related to uh, this Ocean Gate submarine tragedy. I'm going to use first the video insights to feed the information from the video. And if I show you, I have this video insights enabled. The other one is the link reader and the chat with PDF. So I'll be using video insights. So I will just give it a prompt. So video insights IO, what can you do for me? Okay, it's just a formality, and I like to call start communicating with Chat GPT this way. Okay, so yeah, so it has detected that video insights tool is installed, and using video insights we can give the links of different resources like YouTube, Zoom, or any public videos, and it will give us some transcripts and some different information. Okay, so I'm gonna go and I can copy all these links of the YouTube videos, uh, but uh, it's better to actually give each link one by one, because I have experienced that if we provide links one by one, it will give you a better information and a long information. And the better the Chat GPT is going to understand the content, the more better content it's going to generate for us. Okay, so rather than giving it all the links of this video and ask it to go through all the videos and give us some responses, I'm gonna give the link of all the videos one by one. So uh, please go through. Okay, and I'll give it one link. So for each of the link that I have just showed you, or you might have copied in your notepad, you can give it some 1 to 2 sentences, and ask it to generate some articles. So I'll hit enter, and I hope that it's going to yeah, so it has detected the video insights.io automatically, because first I asked it hello video insights. So it just makes me comfortable to communicate. So it has gone through that video, and it is also showing us again. You can see that it is showing us the different information of the video as well as the content inside it. Okay, and the reason I told you to give the links one by one, because when I tried to give all the links at once, it showed only one paragraph for each video, so it did not show me all the information of the video. So I will just quickly do all these things for all the links that I've just shown you to make the video shorter. You can do for your links yourself. So I'll pause the video right now and add different links of all the videos just now. All right, guys, you can see that I have generated the response from each of the video link that I stored in my notepad, and it has generated the responses of all these things. Okay, using the link reader plugin, I will be giving the information to ChatGPT and go through all the web pages to gather the information. Okay, and as much information we provide using these plugins to Chat GPT, as and the better information it's going to generate for us. It's just like we keep on reading the books, and as much books we read, we have the better information. So it's similar to this. So I'm going to use let's say that using the link reader, I'm going to give the information combined for all these links. Okay, and let's see what happens. So first of all, hi link reader, what can you do for us? Okay, so yeah, so it's showing that and content extraction. So I'll just stop generating to it, and please link reader, please check all these links which are related to Ocean Gate tragedy. compile the information and generate a, an article from it. Okay. Uh, it's better to do it one by one, but just for elaboration, just for showing you, we can give the all the links at once as well. So I will give it some information using the link reader. So now you can see that it has detected link reader plugin by itself, and it's going to analyze all these links one by one. So I'm going to wait for it. Okay, so you can see that it has gone through all the 5 links that I provided it and generated some information. And one last thing that I want to show you, that we are using the chat with PDF plugin as well. So the purpose of this plugin is that we can provide any public link to it, and it's going to go through the PDF document. And currently I have opened up this public URL, and it consists of almost 15 pages. Okay, for us to actually go through all these YouTube videos, web blog pages, and all these books, it's quite time taking, but you need to also spend few minutes, maybe the 10 minutes on the chat GPT feeding some information in order to generate some articles. So I'm going to call hi chat with PDF. So this is what I like to do. So it's going to generate some response. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to stop generating. Please check this link to up all the PDF document, all the pages inside it. So you can see it has actually triggered chat with PDF. So let's see it's how much time it takes and analyze the PDF document and generate an article for us. So you can see that it has already triggered, started triggering some article going through this document. And I think we have given it enough information to ChatGPT. The purpose of this video was to show you the different plugins, the main plugins, and my experience using these plugins to show you how you can utilize different information to feed it and generate some responses. You can also give the information about the Next.js 13 latest versions, latest libraries published, uh, the latest technology. You can give it to it and generate some responses. So it has generated these responses. Now let's talk to ChatGPT about the topic. Hi ChatGPT. Now I think you have enough understanding about Oceangate tragedy where 5 people died. So let's see what it says. It's, yeah, so it has given us that it knows the topic. And next, I have asked it that what was the price, ticket price of the Ocean Gate to see the Titanic. First, it showed me that I don't have any information, latest information. This was the old price. Then I've asked it that check the links again that I have provided above, or the information that we have discussed above in this particular chat. And then it showed me the latest price of the Ocean Gate to see the Titanic by going to one of the link reader again. Okay, and this is something, the logic that if it has performed. Okay, so this is the content it has loaded from the link, one of the link. Okay, so if I compare both of these packages, link reader and the video insights, both of these packages supports the videos. Link reader supports the web blog links, PDFs, as well as the videos. The reason I have used video insights for the as a separate package for the videos is because that video insights, according to my experience, is better in terms of fetching the content from the videos. I tried it with my programming stuff using the Next.js 13, Nest.js, or Dino or Golang. Video insights actually gives me the better information as compared to the link reader. But you can try both of these packages yourself and decide which one you want to go with. Link reader support all three things: PDFs, web pages, and videos. Okay. uh, but again, at the same time, Video Insights is the free version which I'm using, and the free version does not support the more than 45 minutes video from the links. But this link reader supports more videos with having the more length. I gave it a link of YouTube video that was almost 3 hours long, and it actually fetched the data from that 3 hours long video. But again, Video Insights is better according to my experience in terms of fetching the content. Okay. So this is the chat that we have generated from the Chat GPT. It is not actually stored in the Chat GPT database, and it is not remembering all this information. Everything that you will ask below this chat, make sure whenever you ask something new about this topic, ask him that check the information above, or check the links that I have given above, and generate this information. Okay. Then it will give you the better response. And if you close this Chat GPT and want to use the same information again to generate some kind of data, make sure you don't delete it from here, from the history. Okay. And you just need to click on the history chat, and then you can start from where you ended. Okay. If you delete it from here, you will have to again provide all the links and generate the information through the Chat GPT. So I have provided you some plugins from my experience. I've been using these links for the programming purposes, and I hope that you have liked it. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.